Game show bot. FIC, Nerd Stuffs has gone live with the title, YAS Ai Nerding. Monkey 83.
Yo, Monkey, what's up? Yo.
Yo.
What's up, everybody?
Eat your broccoli.
Happy Saturday.
Hey there.
Happy Saturday.
Botlix.
What's up, John? How are you? How are you?
This
How are you?
chatbot is here to keep you company.
How's everybody
John
doing?
Denicola.
Hello.
FIC.
Hello.
John Denicola.
Greetings and
Morning,
salutations.
Monkey GTSY.
Hope you're doing well, Monkey. Hope you're doing
Game
well.
show bot.
Eat, John.
Francis Code
Much
has
love.
gone live with the title,
Much
YAS
love.
Ai Nerding.
Much love. Much love.
Monkey 83.
Much love.
Hey there, John Denicola.
So, Monkey, Tay and Steven wanted to
John
do another
Denicola.
interview with us.
Morning,
You know,
eat
me,
your
you,
broccoli.
Chris, and Otto. So, trying to figure out when we're all going to be back here. So, as soon as I can piece something together, I'll let you know. To help finish up the documentary. So, how's everybody doing?
Eat your broccoli. Hey, John Denicola GTSY.
Hello.
Monkey 83.
Hello.
Doing good. Getting some laundry done, then I'm gonna find an RV park for the day and night. Cook me and Kodak so doggy. Botlix. At Eat Your Broccoli you leveled up to 1. Monkey 83. Some steaks, then start these deadline changeovers.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you doing what you're doing out there, brother.
John Denicola. Well, sir, and yourself?
Wonderful. You know, I think we're going to be doing most of our streaming today over on the backup channel. FIC Nerd Stuffs. Because we're going to be doing nerd shit today.
Monkey 83. Going
I know.
on a month on the road. And yes, I
Okay.
know about the interview.
Cool.
Said something about it.
Yeah, I talked to him. I talked to him and Steve and Taya last night. No, night before last.
Interstate 107 dryers, emergency and more.
What's up, Interstate?
What's up?
What's up? Let's get something a little bit more than the falling shit there, yeah?
Interstate 107 dryers, emergency and more. Hey, eat your broccoli, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign. Monkey 83.
That would be cool.
I would love to be back in SC during the spring. John Denicola. Can we turn the tables on Steve and interview him? Interstate dryers, emergency, and more. Monkey, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign, thumbs up sign.
What's up, great dude?
Great dude.
What's up, man? I hope you're doing well.
Eat your pocket.
We've officially been probed. Great dude is here.
Monkey 83. At John Denicola, we did. Don't worry, man. We flipped it on him and Taya. They weren't the only journalists there.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah.
John Denicola. Nice.
It makes Steven think a lot.
John Denicola. Morning, grey dude.
So we're playing some NCS songs today because we got our ass spanked the other day. Been a while since I got him to actually turn the stream off. Alright, I mean, some actually good shit there. So, the last time we were here and I played... What's up, Breaking?
Hello.
Last night when I left you guys, I'd gotten it working. I'd gotten a local
grey dude.
AI, basically, for lack of better terms, working.
I just found a video of me dismissing that cop that parked next to the Airbnb in less than a minute. Stream elements, but running robot.
Hell yeah. Ain't nobody understand what Monkey coming to do, boys and girls. That's all I can say.
Morning floor.
Motherfucking Monkey and Flaw and Ali. Oh yeah, they just don't know. These poor bastards just don't know. Get all fucked up and sideways and shit. Yeah. So, and what I found out was that some of the models are far from anywhere close to being perfect.
Brandon Mitchell.
What up, Brandon?
FIC, send me that link for Eric again.
Oh, JPay? Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about, Brandon? That would be...
Brandon Mitchell. Yeah.
There you go. There you go, Brendan. And then you'll select Colorado, and then you'll use...
Did you hear that a federal judge stripped that cop who arrested me and abated of his qualified immunity? There was a hit piece written over it.
Oh, really? No, I didn't, brother, I didn't. See, that's the kind of piece of shit I am. Not keeping up with people's shit, jeez. Jeez. That's actually kind of cool, though. Anytime you can strip a cop of his fucking qualified immunity, make that bitch get naked. That's all I can say is make that bitch get naked. Get that qualified immunity off. You don't deserve it, bitch. They know it as well as everybody else. So, let's see what we have in here. So, I'm looking at the other computer because the server is not actually beefy enough to actually handle what I needed to do.
Monkey 83. Fuck. They are slandering us.
Oh, there was a heat piece out on y'all?
John Denicola.
Send me the fucking link.
They They know it, but seldom strip them of it. Botrix. At John Denicola you leveled up to 1.
Woohoo, John, you got to level 1. So I don't even know what the fucking Botrix is gonna do, but anyway.
Monkey83. That's the link, and I sent it to you.
Cool, thank you, brother. I thought they were doing a hit piece on the cop, my bad. For once I was hoping for better. Hey Monkey, did you see that bullshit on Blind Justice's channel? Where fuck it, we'll open the panel up. If anybody wants to come up, we'll do a panel. We'll do a fucking panel, fuck it. Maybe if I can get the URL. There it is. And did you see where Blind Justice got them cops to use fucking Ada? Excuse me, not Ada, Ira. Right? Got them to use Ira, you know?
John Denicola.
That was fucking cool as fuck. What? What did it say?
Monkey A3. Oh, maybe our cease and desist went through them.
Looking for it just by the name. Oh yeah, here it is, boys and girls. No, it is still up.
John Denicola. Clicked on the link Monkey posted, it says it's unsupported.
There you go, try that one.
Game show bot. City of West Tawakoni has gone live with the title
Tawakoni.
April 22nd. Monkey 83. No, it works on the link I sent you, code.
I found it. It's
You
basically
can process it.
so on the link that you put in there, it's got the. It didn't have a space after it, bro. But that link right there, that's the link to that piece. Didn't even review. He didn't even review. He just gave it to him and didn't review. That's what it sounds like right after the fucking beginning of it. And you get paid to write. ChatGTP could write better shit than you. How droll. Yummy.
Blibbits.
Blibbits.
Top of
Blibbits.
the morning FIC.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up?
Monkey 83. He says we yelled obscenities at kids.
You know what I say? You know what I say about the kids though? I learned it from some really great guys. Fuck the kids. Right? Straight up. Fuck the kids. Fuck the kids. You know, obviously mommy and daddy ain't teaching them right. Somebody got to teach them. We got to have productive members of society here, right? Right, right, right. We got 32 gigs of memory. We got a 5700, 7 nanometer. And we got the 5600X processor. Great. Great, 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 great.
John Denicola. Well,
You know, I all I got to say again, fuck them kids. They need to realize that not everybody gets a goddamn ribbon for showing the fuck up.
my mom says I'm still special astonished face.
That's not gonna last very long. Huh.
Monkey83. Knox wrote 2 songs and a redux about that phrase. There must be truth in the words.
There must be. There fucking must be, bro. Alright. What up, No Mercy?
Happy person raising one hand hashtag thumbs
What
up
up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What up?
Pointing backhand index.
What up, what up? Y'all make sure y'all are subscribed to my
The
FIC.
same at Blibbits 420.
Y'all are subscribed to my other channel. We're gonna let the main one go down for a little bit.
No mercy sheep. Good day, y'all.
Right. We're gonna try to get this other one built up a little bit. Y'all will be seeing me around, running around as this one, so I can get people to subscribe to me
No mercy sheep.
on this other channel. I'm up to 244 over here. The subscribe goal is 1,000. I'm trying to get up to, like I said, up to 1,000.
Sandra Jones. Who says you screamed obscenities at kids?
I was in a...
Now. Indoctrination. Programmer. Now. A
Right?
machine that turns coffee into code. No mercy sheep.
Thank you,
Yeah.
indoctrination.
No mercy sheep. Sandra Jones. I'm sorry, I am nosy.
It's okay. So Sandra, if you scroll back up, I don't know if you see it if you can see it, but there's a coloradopolitics.com
John
link
Denicola.
that we're talking about.
Warning Sandra Victory hand hash blue heart. Brandon Mitchell. Thanks FIC, have a great day, Vulcan salute.
No worries, man.
Sandra Jones. Hi John Denicola hugging face red heart hash dizzy.
There we go.
John Denicola. Warning and victory hand hash Brandon. Sandra Jones. Where's your link FIC?
That's it right there, Sandra. The FIC nerd stuffs and then the links underneath it. I gotta re-put in for a better URL.
Sandra Jones. Brandon Mitchell, do you ever sleep? Botlix. At Sandra Jones you leveled up to 1. Sandra Jones. Okay, thank you FIC. No mercy sheep. Brandon Mitchell.
Appreciate it, Brandon.
Thumbs up sign.
Appreciate it. We're gonna get this one up to 1,000. We're actually going to try to monetize actual monetization on that one. Sandra, you live stream when you chat my live stream now with that other bot, it automatically levels you up for the amount of time that you're active. You know, so basically, I don't know what the cool off time is for activity, but yeah. All right. So that computer's gonna be great. I need to tear it apart so I can put the other drive in it, but we'll do that. Then I'll have something that I can actually train my own AIs. And it might take me a month to train something, so who knows. And what y'all start seeing is that when I am live over on the small channel, I will be live on the big channel, but it'll just be more than likely it'll be that fucking Smurf.
OH-ICHY Stas nicht. Brandon Mitchell. Sandra Jones, believe it or not.
Black National Freedom Fighter.
Black National Freedom Fighter.
Hey, Black National Freedom Fighter, make sure you go over to my other channel and and subscribe over there, bro, because I'm gonna be doing a lot more over there. I think you might already be.
Black National Freedom Fighter.
Here it is. Here's the link.
What's the link?
I'll still go live on the big channel. There just won't be any content on the big channel, right? And I'll use the big channel for notifications going out, right? And you know, moving forward, you know, you guys will see me using my small channel, right? Thank you, Black National Freedom Fighter. I see you over there. I see Brandon. I need to get on my
Black National Freedom Fighter. I am great.
You will not be for long. Give me a second. I'm logged in as my big guy.
Sandra Jones.
Right.
I can't get it to work. Fencing code.
I seen you typing over there, Sandra.
Black National Freedom Fighter.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm coming over to as that.
Official.
Big Daddy, Wisconsin. Oh, what's up, big bro? Miss you. Miss you. Big old hug to you. Alright, let's see if I can actually pass out some wrenches while I'm over here. There's one. And Sandra. Brandon.
Big Daddy News WI. Nothing less, all of you guys.
Yeah, man. Hey, come over here to the... I'm bringing up another channel, Big Daddy, that I'll be going live on. Talking more nerd shit over there than... And I'm going to try to reel Friends and Code into... you know, I'm probably going to put it to FIC News.
Black National Freedom Fighter. Restream bot. Black National Freedom Fighter. LLL. What's official?
Thank you, Woo. I got you.
Hand pink waving, hand pink waving, hand pink waving, hand pink waving. No mercy sheep. Big Daddy News WI. KK.
Okay, there you go.
Sandra Jones.
There you go.
FIC, I got it back.
Sweet, sweet. I want to say thank you to everybody. You guys are awesome. Y'all could be anywhere on the internet. Y'all choose to hang out with me. I'm trying to bring up a nerd channel, and you guys are awesome. Y'all, I was like let's say 220 and some change, right? And, you know, I put just a little bit of effort, started putting a little bit of effort last night, and, you know, you guys have got me up to, shit, I'm guessing 250 now. We're a quarter of the way there. 251. Hell yeah, guys.
No
Hell
mercy
yeah.
sheep.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
You betcha.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Sandra
you.
Jones.
We're going to run the same rules over on the other
Fighter.
channel as far as the mods are concerned.
Black National Freedom Fighter. So what's with this restrained book?
Alright, I see you, Big Daddy. I see you, Big Daddy. I see you, Big Daddy.
Daddy News WI.
Actually.
Awesome.
Hold on, Big Daddy. I got.
Black National Freedom
There's a
Fighter.
different. Let's see here. Remove that.
Good
Remove that wrench.
Restream.io.
Alright, I don't know what managing mod means, Big Daddy, but.
I wasn't even subbed with my backup facepalm #hash, but now I am to both.
Thank you, and I don't think I have you, Squirrely, on my regular YouTube channel. I don't think I actually even have you modded.
Big Daddy News WI. No problem.
So give me just a second. Let me get it.
Indoctrination. Hip, 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 hooray.
Dun, 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 dun. Alright, switch accounts, back over to my big one. And a big shout out to y'all getting me up to 1610 on my big channel. You know, I mean, that's fucking amazing. You know, I started out a couple years ago, didn't think I was going to really do anything. You know, it's been fucking great. So, again, thank you all.
Brandon Mitchell. Manging mods can time out and block mods.
Sweet. It's exactly what I want right there. It can also keep a bit, I want to know how they fucking change the chat modes. Alright. Alright.
Sandra Jones.
Alright, so we're gonna poke a little more smart. We're gonna get
Big Daddy News WI. Dude, you're in a league of your own.
So the whole thing on this AI nerding crap over here for everybody that's over on my FIC nerd stuff channel.
You want to know about the managing mod thing?
Not really.
Sandra Jones.
No.
You are not UN indoctrinated too, are you?
No, Sandra. No,
National Freedom Fighter. Testicle 1-2.
No, he's not. It's two different people, and I did the same thing. I did the exact same thing, Sandra. I was like, and I knew there was two different spellings, and it's not unindoctrinated, right? So indoctrinated is a big old dude with a beard, right? Squirrely, thank you, man.
Squirrely. I've got to head to work.
I got you covered.
Black National Freedom
Thank you.
Fighter.
Thank you. Thank you, Brandon.
Sandra Jones.
I know, right? I needed to go high too. Right? You know, and not only that, but the FIC nerd stuffs, I took all the other old content down off of it. So I've started off, I have...
Indoctrination DOC.
Right. Indoctrination is doc. Unindoctrinated is unindoctrinated.
Black National Freedom Fighter. Hoo-hoo-ah.
Right. So what we're going to be doing over here, and I'll come back and I'll record another live that's just where I come out and give the intro to the fucking channel and shit, and I'll make some pretty pictures and all that other fun stuff. But this is gonna be an adult channel, you know, because I'm not gonna
Sandra Jones.
sugarcoat it.
Okay.
I'll say shit, fuck, damn, and those kind of words. It's not gonna be filled with it, but you know what I mean. So, and the thing that I want to do is bring knowledge to everybody, you know, about either artificial intelligence or restreaming and oh yeah, to get the restream bot, you got to go to restream.io. That's right here.
Sandra Jones. They've both been nice to me.
And oh yeah, both guys are extremely wonderful people. I mean, I have nothing negative to say about either one of them, right? And you know, and not only that, if I did, I would be talking to them directly and not, you know, not trying to air dirty laundry out here on the interwebs, right? But at the same time, back to the nerd stuff. Nerd stuff is going to be where I do a lot of my live streaming, working on code, working on lasers, you know, all that fun stuff. Friends and Code is going to be where I'm going to do...
This is a 30-minute timer message. Big Daddy News WI.
No worries, Big Daddy.
If you need me MSG me boy later, go to be a dad LOL.
Go do them daddy duties,
Sandra
I understand.
Jones.
Go be that big dad that you know you are,
Should
but...
I start sending classified material over online?
I highly recommend you go download Discord and do it there. They'll never find you. And so, because there's a couple things I also want to accomplish, you know, I want to try to build object detection into a nano, Jetson Nano, and see if I can't, you know, figure out a way to make it say, I don't know, something's coming at you.
Sandra Jones.
There you go.
I'll put it in lyrics to a song, backwards.
There you go. There you go. Make sure you use ChatGPT to help you out. That way everybody knows that you're doing it. Right? You know, I'd send them an email and tell them that you're going to upload a whole bunch of classified documents and it'll be okay. You want it to be used for retraining documents. See, and that's going to be the greatest fuck up of all right there, right? Government's going to use the AI. AI is going to fucking not know it can't tell.
Daddy News.
So yeah, I want to say thank you. All right. And close that out. Need a web page over here. Make sure I don't have it already open. I do. I still got to figure out how to do
Sandra
this.
Jones. Thank you, FIC. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright, let's see here. Got some rain coming.
I don't know what you want.
goes.
Sandra Jones. I'm going to cry crying face.
Let's see here. Models. Getting.
Behind the scenes Carolinas.
What's up behind the scenes? How are you? How are you, man? Appreciate you coming in. So we are playing with a Python thing called LangChain, and it's at the very, very beginning of it. So, I mean, it doesn't even have a major number, right? I mean, it's 0. This thing is like, if you can't get any more bleeding edge, right? You can't get any more bleeding edge. And so I got it working, or I got it to use an integrated model without blowing up. And I need to get that into my...
Indoctrination. If the box says, this software requires Windows XP or better, does that mean it will run on Linux?
Depends on the copyright of the box too, and Doc, you know. You know, it really depends on that. You know, it'd be better to go, hey, this is a software program I want to run, or, you know, if you're on Discord or something like that, hit me up there.
Indoctrination. These are programmer jokes.
Oh, I thought it was for real.
Indoctrination.
I get the joke now.
Since it's better than Windows.
I get the joke now. I get the joke now. I thought you were trying to be serious and ask. So. Alright. So come here to the integrations, right? So these are all the different types of large language models that LangChain will currently, or examples, right? The crazy thing about LangChain, again...
Sandra Jones. I didn't get the joke till Fencing Code said something.
I didn't either. Doc, I was actually just, you know, I'm in my normal mode to, you know, help, right? So, I didn't see that you were smiling when you were typing it in, right? So, I wonder how much Azure OpenAI cost.
Anon Mouse. At Fencing Code was in full nerd mode, nerd face it, indoctrination. You will have to forgive him. Rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I wait.
They're getting paid more per hour, compute hour, right? Okay, and that's like human hours when you're doing, you know, job calculations, right? How many of you motherfuckers out there making $84 an hour? Right? You know, I mean, right now is your opportunity. What's up, Anon Mouse? How are you? How are you? Y'all make sure y'all go over and sub to my other channel. Right, if y'all are not subbed over there. Damn it. Give that mod. Alright. If you're not subbed, there's the link to my other channel, because this is where I'll be doing, this is where I'll be continuing to do some of this nerd shit. Alright, so let's quit ooh shiny in this thing, because, I mean, it really is that quick. Alright.
Black National Freedom Fighter. You said anus.
I did. Okay, so let's talk about how to use async APIs. Great, great, great. Great.
Black National Freedom Fighter. Well, I will talk to you later, FIC.
Sounds good, man. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it. Thank you, Monkey, for the sub. Appreciate everybody that's been subbing. Fucking A. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I need to go set up some kind of
Jesse
bot
Jackson.
for this.
Sub
Look at all you guys.
backslash D backslash.
And that didn't turn out. That did not turn out. Let's see if I can see it. Let's see how. Guys are awesome. Appreciate it, John.
John Denicola. Got to bounce FIC.
Thank you, brother.
Stay
Appreciate
safe,
it.
everyone. Victory and hash.
Appreciate it. All right.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
Go over here and read about this, because I don't know about this one, I don't think.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Wrights, 1791.
What's up, Bill?
TTS.
Oh, how are you? How are you? How are you? Make sure you come over and grab my other channel because I'm going to be streaming a little less over here on this one. I want to try to get my other channel up and going and get my numbers up over there.
Billy Wrights, 1791. Friends in code.
No.
Billy Wrights, 1791. Poker channel. Looking.
I'll probably still do poker on Friends in Code, but over here on the nerd shit, it'll just be mostly nerd stuff. Like what I'm doing right now, which is reading reading docs right now. Learning how to use this Python lang chain. Alright. Because these are going to be the two main ones.
Billy Wrights, 1791. Is it this one?
That's the one. This is the nerd channel that you're on now, Bill. Right, this is the standard channel. I mean, this is going to be the nerd channel, and then the poker channel. Fuck, I might just spin up another one that's just poker. You know, so we'll jump back and forth where, you know, I might be doing all three at the same time. right? But one channel will have poker, one channel will have this shit, and the other channel will have, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out, and as I'm building this AI thing, it'll fucking fall into place completely, right? So let's go do with the SQL databases. Oh, how cute! They even got a fucking. I know, Bill. I know, Bill.
Right, 1791.
You
Tell
know.
Val, back to work.
I know. I know. I don't know what we're gonna do with him. Don't know. But I guess, I'm friends in code. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know.
And Cap Gamer.
Thank you, NCAP.
FIC.
So NCAP, I threw you in as a managing mod, bro. So, if I run into any issues or anything like that, where I mod somebody that shouldn't be. But yeah, ANCAP, I'm actually trying to boost this channel. So if we can get this thing, if I can get this thing up to 1,000 in a couple weeks, that'd be great. That way I can, because I restarted all the timers and everything on it as far as watch hours and all that shit. So get it up to 1,000 so I can get my community posts. And then I'll start working on shorts and all that other fun shit and see if I can't actually have a nerd channel that does something, So,
And Cap Gamer.
I want to, like I said, I want to give something nerdy here, and I'm trying to figure out what this, basically I'm trying to get an environment up and going where I can literally have my questions and answers go straight to files and things like that, right, with the chat bot. So if you're watching, if you go back just a little bit, like minus 9 minutes on nerd stuffs, should it be minus 99 on Fids and Code too, but you can see where it'll run certain shit and it's able to save and do files and all this other fun shit. So I'm definitely curious about it, but I want to get this lang chain going. If you've ever done any Python or haven't done any Python programming, ANCAP, now is the time to learn.
Gamer. Doc shared this channel link. I didn't know you had a secondary account.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have a secondary and I'm going to set up a third one. The third one's going to be a poker channel, so when we're playing poker, there's just one channel. I'm going to have to figure out how to do it, how to control three streams at once from one computer. Right, and have your three different have 3 different TTSs going and all that shit.
Botrix. This is a 30-minute timer message.
Right, and so this SQL chain.
Billo writes, 1791. Chatbot farm.
Yeah, well, not so much a chatbot farm, but more so you know how my bot's reading the TTS, right? I'm not gonna want the restream version of that TTS, right? Where it reads, it doesn't matter which bot you're in, I mean which channel you're in, right? It'll read the fucking thing, right? And I need it to like basically have multiple versions of OBS running, right? Multiple instances of OBS. One pushing to Friends and Code. One pushing, you know, and Friends and Code might become the bot channel itself as well. I don't know. You know, it might be the, you know, I want a notification channel, right? And, you know, if you come in and tell me to watch and you're, I don't know, you're in one of my other channels or something and I give you access, you come in and tell me to watch a channel, right? And if it goes live, I'll let you know, right? But not only do I want it to let you know, I also want it to open the channel, right? And show it for a couple seconds. You know, to go, hey, look, you know, here's what's going on here live, right? You know, so-and-so went live, or it's a premiere, whatever it is. It just opens the channel, shows the fucking thing for a few, and then moves on, right? Drops a link in the channel and moves the fuck on, right? And then if you want special notifications of a channel going live and I'm watching for it, right? And I'm only as good as, you know, YouTube will let me be, right? But if I get these guys to come playing in it, then, you know, life gets even better.
Billo writes, 1791. Do you have to be channel subbed for your bots to pick it up?
Yes. You'll have to not, yes, subscribed, yes. Right, but you also have to have, it'll be one of those ones where, you know, somebody will have a command like, exclamation add user, right? And then we do add bill of rights, and, you know, then you'd be able to, you know, the bot would come back and say, okay, you know, bill of rights has been added.
FIC, nerd sucks. Add user at Billo writes, 1791.
When we do some shit like that, it'd come back and say, you know, user's been added. And then you could come in and go something like add channel, right? And you could give me just the channel URL, right? Something like that, right? And then you could add it in there.
FIC, Nerd Stuffs. Add channel.
Right? Something like that, right? You know, and you know, my thing is it's a non-biased channel. You know, I don't care who puts what in there. You're wanting to get notified of it, as long as it's not like murder, death, kill. You know, and it's within YouTube's guidelines for the channel, right? The other thing is once I build it, you know, I'm hoping to be able to say, all right, we built this fucking thing. This is how you build it for yourself. And the only reason you're wanting me to fucking do it is because you don't want to fuck with it. You just want to come into some channel, fucking type exclamation and go, right? You know, I mean, those are the kind of things that, you know, and if you want to set up your own channel that does it, by all means, I don't you know, you want to set it up on, I don't care, right? I'm not going to care the platform. You know, and if there's an API that I can use to collect the data, then we're going to do it, and then we're going to rock and roll.
Billo writes, 1791. Sounds interesting. Looking forward to seeing this in action.
I'm looking forward to getting in action as well. You know, I've crossed some, you know, in the last couple of days, I've crossed some major, for me anyway, major hurdles, right? And, you know, by no means is the way that I'm doing it the right way, right? But it is going to be one of the ways, right? Whether or not it's the most efficient or the most appropriate or any of that is up for discussion, and I'm probably going to file 13 those discussions, right? At this point, right? Because I'm not looking to get into ethical issues or you know, try to get into copyright issues or any kind of shit like that, right? You know, because one of my goals is that I'm going to set up the never-ending story. And it's going to have pictures. And we'll see where it goes from there. At high level, prompts are organized by use case inside the prompts directory. To load a prompt in LangChain, you should use the following snippet from LangChain prompts import load prompt equals load prompt LC prompts path to JSON file. Okay. Each subdirectory also contains a README explaining how to best use that prompt in the appropriate LangChain chain. Sweet. What do we got in the hub already?
Billo writes, 1791. Is this like URL scrapper code?
Better than URL scraper code. The reason I say it's better than URL scraper code is because it actually wants to use APIs, right? And since I can hook this thing to ChatGTP, right? Since I can hook it to that shit, I can get fucking stupid with it. Right, so I can hook it to that, then I can hook it to an image maker, and I can hook it to, the only issue becomes money at that point, right? Somebody wants to throw down fucking 10 grand and let me go fucking nuts, we'll fucking hook it to every goddamn thing, I don't care, right? It's just going to be expensive because everybody wants to charge, depending on what we're having it fucking do, everybody wants to charge. So, and if you want to do it your damn self, well, you're going to need some fucking hardware. So, I mean, it's those kind of things, man. It's, how far do you want to go with it? And as far as like URL scraper, no, it's can it do that? Yes, completely. It could, it can go scrape websites. But I think that's a total waste of the abilities of what it can do, right? My biggest thing is I wanted to build some Ansible files and shit like that. So, and I wanted to, I just wanted to, I don't know. Right now, there's just a few things I want to solve with it, right? I wanted to make it talk to a database so I can ask it questions. I want to make it talk to ChatGTP so I get definitive answers. I want it to talk to my local ChatGTP basically, so I can figure out, what's the reliability of the answers that I've got coming out of this thing, right? If I ask it how to make a fucking tic-tac-toe game 50 times and it only fucking gives me the right answer one time, there's some shit we got to do in there, right? We got to reprogram this fucking thing, retrain it. And then that opens up a whole nother can of worms of going, okay, do I fucking try to retrain it myself, right? Which means that I go up into Amazon or Azure or one of these motherfuckers and write a script that fucking fires all this shit up, compiles it as fast as it can, and then shuts it all down, right? So, and that's a whole undertaking under itself. So, right now I'm just trying to get the shit to work, right? Where I can comfortably feel that I can ask a question to it and then I can start pushing some data, real data into it and going, okay, I want you to make this type of report, right? And if you make this type of report, I expect this data and I expect this type of summary. Right, and if he can do that, then I've solved some fucking major goddamn issues. Right? At least for my company, anyway. Or the company that I work for, rather. It's not my company. But, I'm just saying. Self-ask with search. Okay. An agent that asks, interact with arbitrary tools and carries on a conversation. Okay. That's great. Oh yeah? You going live, ANCAP? Because I'll probably leech your shit. Leech the fuck out of it!
And Cap Gamer. Oh great, app PD is circling near me. I may have a situation going on near me.
Alright, so... Anything enter yet? Or is Albuquerque... They got scanners still there, right?
And Cap Gamer. I may, if there's anything going on.
Cause so it takes the fucking templates, right? And this is where shit can blow up if it can't load the model. Right, and so that's where...
Bill O'Wright, 1791. Join that pile of feces and Cap.
Fuck ANCAP, if you want to do some crazy shit, I've got some open channels that I can teach you how to do some crazy live streams.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Only sheriff and state and fire can be heard.
Yeah. You should come join me on panel sometime, ANCAP. Fucking turn the live shit off and we can bullshit.
City PD went encrypted.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you fucking cop watchers wouldn't be out there using it. If you fucking public people wouldn't be using public information to see public employees doing their public duties.
And Cap Gamer. Sure. I have zero coding skills.
You don't need coding skills, bro. Right? What you do have is grit and determination. Every time you complete a fucking game, bro, that's coding skills, homie. You know what I'm saying? That's coding skills. You just don't associate the two. You know, think about what think about when you go back and rerun the game, right? Okay, you're going back and you're going to go rerun the game as a different character or as something else, right? That's a modification in code and an improvement in the game or improvement in the code. So, right? Don't kid yourself on oh, you know, it's there's a huge barrier, right?
And Cap Gamer. Problem solving skills.
Pretty fucking much, bro. That's it. That's it. You know, you just move the problem from, you know, wherever the fucking game wants you to solve the problem to, okay, I've got this coding problem I want to solve, right? I know I'm going to need some code for this, right? I want a chatbot, or I want, you know, just insert, right? I want something that plays video games. Maybe you want to teach the AI how to play video games. Waste its time. And is it really a waste of time? Because if you can get it to drive a car in GTA without wrecking at full throttle, right? Is that really a bad thing? Is that really a bad thing? You know, because you got object avoidance. I mean, it's...
And Cap Gamer. PD been flying around the city for 12 hours so far.
Yeah, exactly.
They are doing their annual, let's waste money to bloat our budget.
Alright, so I should be able to go from wherever we're at right now and go models, front slash, and this one. Rename that bitch. Rename that bitch so I can copy it. I should be able to put that.
And Cap Gamer. I did a FOIA to see how much it costs to run that thing, nearly 900 per hour.
Yeah. So it loads the goddamn thing in. Alright, let's chain this motherfucker. Chain it with the prompt equals prompt. And that's this.
And Cap Gamer. They have spent $10,000 today alone in just flying.
Alright.
Devon
So,
writes, 1791. Waiting on NYPD protest.
oh yeah? Alright, so can we question and answer? So let's come down in here. Let's interact with the outside world, damn it. Alright, so we need to do this. We need to bring this shit in. Since this one doesn't cost me anything because it's internal, I can throw fucking stupid questions to it until the cows come home. That's great. That's wonderful. Let's load some tools. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, it doesn't know. Search foundation. Did not find. Oh. Ooh, we don't have that key. We don't have that API key. What is this doing? What is the server 12 function? Google search and remove bot. We gotta go look for this tool. Tools. What the hell is Serpa? Okay, so
And Cap Gamer. Adding to what you said about games, running gaming mods on PC could be a form of coding as one is changing how the game does something. On some games, I run mods.
well, I mean, here's a perfect example of a game that demands running mods, right? Or at least in my opinion. You know, this thing, right, that thing alone. But I don't understand. SERP API, great. Why does it need... But I don't see...
Agents use an LLM to determine which actions to take and in what order. An action can either be using a tool or returning to the user. When used correctly, agents can be extremely powerful. The purpose of this notebook is to show you how to easily use agents through the simplest, highest level API. In order to load agents, you should understand the following concepts. Tool, a function that performs a specific duty. This can be things like Google search, database lookup, Python RPL, other chains. The interface for a tool is currently a function that is expected to have a string as an input, with a string as an output. LLM, the language model powering the agent. Agent, the agent to use. This should be a string that references a support agent class. Because this notebook focuses on the simplest, highest level API, this only covers using the standard supported agents. If you want to implement a custom agent, see the documentation for custom agents coming soon. Agents. For a list of supported agents and their specifications, see here. Tools. For a list of predefined tools and their specifications, see here.
Alright, so... So. Give me a second, I gotta set an API key up and I'm not blasting that out to the internet.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Wow, we blew some shit up.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Hmm. Hmm. Well, we're gonna take a break for just a second and get something to eat.
and Cap Gamer. Oh yeah,
Shit.
Minecraft.
Sorry guys, I didn't realize my
VR
fucking
and MC and Optifine for MC.
fucked up my damn
And
TTS,
Cap
my
Gamer.
bad.
LOL, I just asked if ChatGPT could make a Beat Saber beat map. It basically said no because it doesn't have access to the tools.
Uh-huh.
And Cap Gamer.
What up, Al
I added
SoCal?
this
How
name
are you, sir?
FIC. Nerd stuffs to my mod list on Popwatch. We'll add it to the gamer list, too. Also Cal. Francine code waving hand sign. Also Cal. Botrix. This is a 30-minute timer message. And Cap Gamer. Pop and D are live out in a forest doing crossbow shooting. Game show bot. Poor Dirt Farmer has gone live with the title, Silax of Chilliwack BC stuck in basement. Laurie Van Hoosier. Enjoy. Also Cal. 30-minute half-thinking face.
Yeah, just
Also
every
Cal.
30 minutes it
Fancy
just
code.
reminds me. Something to remind me that I've spent 30 minutes. And whether or not I want to continue.
I don't know what you want.
Make sure I got everybody.
Bit of fun till I downfall.
Everybody got their. Got everything.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Excuse me.
Botrix. This is a 30-minute timer message.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. If you feel like I do right now.
Okay, so 2048, but where the fuck did I bust it at?
Side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Yeah, so what I'm trying to do,
And Cap Gamer. TTS died.
it's back now. My fucking genius was using TTS to read something else, and I closed the fucking TTS. So, you know, you guys were coming in, talking to me and shit, and I was fucking ignoring you because, yeah. The host with the most is, like, screwing it up. Yeah, right? I know.
And
I
Cap
mean,
Gamer.
fuck.
And
I mean,
LOL.
I mean, there's only so much one person can do, you know what I'm saying? So where is...
And Cap Gamer. For what you said earlier, oh yeah, Minecraft. I use Thiefcraft for VR in MC and Octave for MC.
There's the link if anybody wants to join. Alright, so...
Laurie Van Hoosier. We forgive you.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, because, you know. And I appreciate you guys giving me some watch time over on the second channel, man. That's fucking awesome. Alright, so the request... So somehow we're breaking the 512.
And Cap Gamer. LOL, I just asked if ChatGPT could make a Beat Saber beat map. It basically said no because it doesn't have access to the tools.
Okay, so the Llama CPP. So in here, it says it has a fucking... And that's not right, so I gotta fucking figure out how to set that when I initialize that motherfucker. I need to look at that function. Alright, so we come over here. Which one are we? Okay, we're in Llama. Alright, so let's go look at fucking code. And what were we fixing? Not where I'm playing. Great. It's not the models, prompts, test. chains, I need models, LMM, integration, CPP.
And Cap Gamer. I added this name at FIC.
Thank you.
Nerd Stuffs to my mod list on Copwatch, and added it to the gamer list, too.
Appreciate it. See, it's like I should be able to... Alright, so we gotta go play with Lang Chain over here, cause I gotta go look and see what options I have. None of those. Documentation. I want to go look at Lang Chain. And this is in here. And this is... not that one. This one.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Can I put a comma in there and fucking put... So it looks like I can just put a comma in there and put this fucking N_CTX 2048 and fucking let's roll. Let's blow this shit up and see if it fucking works. Alright, so we're gonna put a comma that equals what did we say that was? We have a fuck, I just cleared it in that page. Fuck. I don't want to copy the cell, I just want that shit. This is the one I want. 2048. What up, radio nerd?
And Cap Gamer. Sings 9 bugs in the code, 99 bugs. Take one down, pass it around, 130 bugs in the code. Radio Nerd. Code Nerding FIC.
Alright, so let's reload that motherfucker. Are we gonna blow up? No, we're not. Great. So let's chain that motherfucker. Let's load us some tools. Let's get our fucking agent. Let's roll! Come on, don't fuck around. We got 2048 now, bitch. Don't tell me that 512 shit. Ah, we gotta crash.
Cap Gamer. I am glad you got a chuckle out of that.
Could not parse LMM object. This could you, what the fuck? Okay, well, fucking run it again. See if we get a different answer. That's the crazy thing about this. I mean, we might not need to fucking tell it to calculate. Search engine is not a valid tool. What do you mean search engine is not a valid tool? Okay, so oh, that's interesting. What'd that blow up here? Was it because I didn't ask it its fucking restart the kernel? Oh, you know what? I wonder if I'm running out of memory. fucking peg that fucking 4 through 7 processors right the fuck out. So it's going off the rails again.
Everything changes.
Damn it! Not what I wanted. Not what I fucking wanted. Fucker's still running. So it seems that use search doesn't think is a valid tool. And it doesn't know how to break itself out, which, whatever. And it's not actually querying this thing because What is the Python command for update?
I said I'm moving too far. Get it wrong. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you want. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltration with my strength. When I turn up, then I'll just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltration with my strategy. When I turn up, then I'll just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shooting, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross.
Okay, so let's come back over here and read what we can actually feed this fucking thing. Parts. Number of parts to split a model into. If -1, the number of parts is automatically determined. Great. Seed. Number of tokens in batch, so that should be 1 in NCTX. Okay. Call the lotto and return too much effort.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home.
Game show bot. Auditrans Travels has gone live with the title, Condo Cam, the 22nd of April 2023.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Alright, well, I've got over 2 hours into this stream. We're going to shut it down for a little bit. We'll be back in probably about an hour, hour and a half. Appreciate everybody being here. I appreciate everybody coming over. We'll be back in a little bit. Thanks. Thanks. I just need to step away for a little while.